launch of the Tsumugi ELV Dismantling Corporation.
I know the new company's name in Tsumugi means the establishment of partnership in Japanese language. It truly signifies our great shared value. What a great, wonderful name it is.
Today, the Philippines will finally have its own and the very first end-of-life vehicle dismantling facility that follows the standard that is used in Japan.
Through this pilot plant, I believe Japanese stakeholders look forward to contributing to the realization of a circular economy, which is necessary for an environmentally sound and sustainable economic development.
If we establish enhance the circular economy, it can reduce the climate change. So it's a big chance for you to contribute to both two C's.
It is my honor and privilege to join the opening of the first ever Japan Standard End-of-Life Vehicle ELV dismantling facility by Tsumugi Company. Collaborated with Tsuruoka Company from Japan, which has very unique and advanced technology and business know-how.
Japan's state-of-the-art technology and the best practice will therefore greatly benefit the Philippines, and we are delighted to collaborate in the future projects. And on behalf of the Department of Transportation, we warmly welcome this partnership and are enthusiastic toward expanding in Tsumugi, driving for both economic progress and environmental sustainability together.
In near future, Philippines is expected to see more economic development and population growth. For that, it's necessary to have a safe and efficient system of ELV dismantling in this country.
Tsuruoka is considering to bring their ELV dismantling technology here in the Philippines. It was an obvious choice that we recommended the Hung family as their best partner for the Philippines.